All right, this is 6:45 a.m. November 13th of 2018. The year is almost over. It was a very short year. A lot happened. And I've been pretty busy. And one of the things that I am trying to wrap up is the Miuni32 group by number 2, of course. At the moment, over at PCBWay.com, it is showing 100% completion on the PCB itself, and I believe they are putting a few boards together for assembly to ship them out to me. And if all goes well, in the next few days, I should be getting the samples in my hands next week. If that goes well, then I'll receive the rest of the orders so I can ship them to all of you. I cannot express how grateful I am for all your patience. Surprisingly, none of the participants have barked at me or yelled at me for this delay. It's a community that I love to be part of, but time over time, I'm surprised how much patience and understanding everybody is, even though, my lack of communication could raise, a few eyebrows. But rest assured, you will get your Miuni32 PCBs ASAP. I know it's already at least 2 weeks delayed by the calendar date, but it's coming. It's coming soon, and I am as much eager as all of you are to get these completed. Another update that I need to catch up on is the ingot. Ingot is the premium, ultra premium aluminum milled case for Miuni32. I honestly don't know where exactly it stands at. I gotta reach out to the good fellas who have been working on it last while. But I got a feeling that they are simply just waiting for me to deliver my part before they give a go-ahead to their factory. That's my thought. I may be wrong. Maybe they already have pretty aluminum milled out case sitting on their desk. But yeah, if I were them, I would also wait until the group buy completes before putting down the bills. So that's it for the day. I'll be sure to update as soon as I hear more from PCBWay.com.